Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Resort review. Today we're checking out the JW Marriott Charlotte, a brand new hotel in Charlotte, North Carolina. We stayed here for one night on a layover on our way to Europe, but we found the hotel overall to be fantastic. So let's check out the whole property. So here's the whole lobby, relatively small for how many people that run through there. It's located in the uptown area of Charlotte. It's a two-story lobby. There's an Italian steakhouse on the bottom floor, and then an Oyster bar that we had dinner at on the top floor at Caroline's. All the food that we had on property was fantastic. We were staying as Marriott's Gold members, but we didn't receive really any upgrade, and we had just a nice view of the parking lot. But the rooms themselves were very nice, that you'll see a little later. So Caroline's had a nice bar area. The Rolling Stones were in town the night of our visit, so it was very, very popular after the concert got out, and we'll show you some of the fireworks from the show. If you're going in for a Carolina Panthers game, the hotel is located walking distance from the stadium, as you can see there, where the Rolling Stones were playing. So now let's take a look at the rest of the property. There is a rooftop pool, which is located on the same level as the gym. The pool itself, I felt for a city hotel, was incredible. The whole hotel felt very modern, even down to in the room having USB-C chargers in the wall. It's something I haven't seen at a hotel yet in 2021. So I was really excited to see that. So let's check out the pool complex. Some decent views of the stadium, not a gigantic pool by any means, but had some nice cabanas and a pool bar for those kind of warm summer days. Again, this is kind of located in a downtown area, so I felt like this was perfectly adequate for, a short weekend in Charlotte. The gym itself was a nice size. They had Peloton bike, some cardio machines, as well as some free weights. The hotel itself is pretty large, so I feel like it could get busy when conferences and stuff are in town, but overall, really nice gym, as you would expect from a new hotel. And here is the club lounge. I didn't have club lounge access because we were staying on my wife's account. I'm normally at Titanium when I stay at Marriott properties, but this is available for guests with that access. So here's a regular room at the property. We'll do a full tour here. So a nice little closet as you walk in. Not a ton of room, but good enough. So nice marble throughout the whole room, as you'd expect from a JW Marriott property. Everything feeling nice and fresh. Nice full door on the shower. I hate the European style showers that only have a half door that you just end up being freezing if you're not right under the water. So a separate toilet area and a nice big sink for people that need to share a room. You have enough space for both people's toiletries. King bed, like I said, USB-C chargers in the wall, so I was able to charge my MacBook without taking out my whole lunky charger, which was great. Hopefully we see more hotels implement that. Nice mini fridge. Here's that USB-C charger, as well as the old USB chargers that you see everywhere. Here was our not so nice view, but we were only here for one night, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But thanks for watching.